Alrighty, gonna show you guys how to use Shadowplay. Just super easy for beginners. Not gonna get too into it, but basically, if you want to stream, you just go to connect your account. Next, you're going to go down to your broadcast, set it up. I find that this setup works best for me. 1080p HD, 60 FPS at 14 bitrate, and make sure to select the country or the city that's closest to you. So for me, it's Canada, Toronto. For recording, a little trick to make the video look better. So if you actually go to in-game resolution, you actually select a bitrate to be very high. 110 is what makes it look so clear without losing almost any FPS, which is nice. And then your audio, it's hard to get this right. So for this system, I need to have this fully going at volume, and then my system volume needs to be quite low to be able to hear my voice, and it needs a boost because I use an Arctic Steel Series or whatever they're called headset, and because it has a program of its own, it doesn't necessarily work with Shadowplay too well compared to my HyperX headset on my other PC. So it's actually a really easy program to use. You can set up your hotkeys to be different, but anyways, for the most part, to get it going, Alt-C will pull up this menu, and then Alt F9 will record, and Alt F8 will start to stream. I really like it. I have no problems with it. I can't get all like the flashy things that OBS has, but I do have to say that without having a capture card, I never have to worry about losing FPS. It almost doesn't matter what system I'm using. I could be using my weakest system, and I don't find like any stuttering. So I really like it.